Hi, Betty. We miss you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We love you.
We love Mommy.
And Betty. This is for Betty. So, Olivia's going to sing a song for you, Betty. We hope you enjoy it. She's really excited to do this, and so here we go. Not yet. Ready? Okay, just stand there, sweetheart.
Okay, I'll tell you when to start. Not yet, not yet.
I'm wishing to start and trying to believe that even though it's far, he'll find me Christmas Eve. I guess that Santa's busy, 'cause he's never come around. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
Hold on.
The best time of the year, when everyone comes home, and all is Christmas cheer, it's hard to be alone. Putting up the Christmas tree, just friends to come around. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town. Presents for the children, wrapped in red and green. All the things I heard about, but never really seen. Know them when we sneaking on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way. When Santa's sleigh bells ring, I hear it all around. When trains and angels sing, I never hear a sound. All the dreams of children, once lost will all be found. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
Say, I love you, Betty.
I love you, Betty.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Got it?